Once your application is live, as in the production, you still need to have tools to maintain and monitor its usage. The platform provides support for this phase as well. Suppose your application is running in production. You get a call in the morning and someone tells you there was a crash last night, and since then, the application is working again, but they don't understand what happened at the time, and that it would be good if you could investigate. This kind of question is very hard to answer because, as you would expect, the data has changed. Meanwhile, you can't reproduce easily the context of the crash. If you don't have the appropriate technology, finding the job that has failed and retrieving the context of the failure can be very difficult, if not impossible. The optimization server, which is part of the platform, is exactly the tool that helps you here. The optimization server seamlessly runs multiple CPU-intensive computational jobs, locally or remotely, and provides administrative tools to easily monitor and manage them. We are logged into the Optimization Server console, which is a technical console. As we have seen very quickly before, it allows you to create tasks. It also allows reviewing what has been running in the system. This top chart shows the tasks that have been launched in the last hours or days. The table below lists the execution's details, the type, engine or checker in this case, the creation date and time, the creator and the completion status. If you had a failure here, you would see it very quickly. We can click on the Details button to get more information about a specific run. We access the Job View, where we can read the log and download the input and the output. As you can see, thanks to the optimization server, you can easily spot which specific job has failed, check the log, and reproduce the issue by rerunning the job with the exact same context that generated the fail. The platform also provides support to monitor and maintain an application in production thanks to the integration with Kubernetes and OpenShift. We provide configuration files to ease the deployment in these open-source modern environments. Kubernetes and OpenShift provide functionalities for application monitoring, scaling, and management. To summarize this last part of the training, we provide ways for you to monitor and manage your application in production. Using standard tools like Kubernetes and OpenShift, and taking advantage of sophisticated mechanisms like the replay execution capability we provide in the optimization server. These technologies ease the management of your application in production, ensure robustness and scalability.